Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Now, is your skin damaged? Is your skin looking dry, rough, and is it actually looking old? Do you experience wrinkles and fine lines? Like you don't like the appearances of your skin, or your complexion is not popping, like you know what I mean? Like, are you tired of using this and this and it's not working for you? Well, I have a remedy for you. Okay, the only thing for you to do is to apply it. So if you want to know what it comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up this video and share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Drop your questions on my website, guys. The link will be at my description box. Alright, let's go see this stuff. We're gonna be needing one huge potato. Now, potato is great in closing a large and open pores, and it helps to repair and remove wrinkles and dark under eye. Then now I'm gonna be peeling off the potato. Okay, alright, so we're going to be cutting the potato, and I'm gonna be packing it, guys, because we're gonna be needing the potato puree. So I'm gonna be boiling it and I'll be right back. Because I'll be needing the starch of this potato, so I'm going to be boiling it. So we're going to be boiling it for like 10 minutes for it to be very soft. And after that, I'm going to peel it off and then put it into a blender, put in some of the water and blend it really well. Okay, so it can be very soft and smooth. So here is a blended, boiled and blended potato, and we're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of that. And we're going to also be needing egg. Okay, now egg is also great in removing wrinkles and fine lines. It repairs the skin, and it's going to be perfect in combining it with tomato to repair the skin. So for the egg, since I'm going to be needing just the egg yolk, I would like to extract it, guys. So I'll be extracting the yolk from the whites. Then I'm going to be putting it into the potato. Then we're going to be needing Fuller's Earth clay powder. Okay, this is how it looks like. Now, Fuller's Earth is great in polishing up the skin. It helps to remove age spots, and it's also perfect for wrinkles, like so well. I'm going to be taking in 1 teaspoon of Fuller's Earth clay powder. Then we're going to be making use of gram flour. Gram flour is one natural ingredient that helps to polish up the skin, and it also helps to remove sagging skin. Okay, and also 1 teaspoon of gram flour powder. Now I'm just going to be mixing and stirring this very important ingredient together, and this would help so much in repairing and closing a large and open pores. So you have to make sure to mix this really well. Alright guys, so here is your skin repair remedy. And for me, I just obviously love to apply any treatments that I'm gonna be using my hands. Man, this stuff is so cooling. Alright, so what I did is that I apply, come on. What I did is that I put it in the fridge for like 3 to 5 minutes, I guess. I was actually like looking for what to eat first, okay? So I actually left it in the fridge for some minutes, and it's so cooling. So you're actually aiming to remove large pores, wrinkles, put it in the fridge, guys. So what you do is after you apply this, you have to leave it on and let it dry, okay? You have to leave it on, let it dry on your skin. It's just gonna dry very fast because of the egg, and the Fuller's eggs is just one ingredient that dries so freaking fast. Okay, just like that. It's so cooling. I love it. I love it. I'm actually looking at myself here. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash this off after some minutes. Okay, so if you can't leave it for it to dry, you have to hold it on for like 3 minutes or 2 minutes, okay, and then you go wash it off and you're gonna be good. All right, so you're just gonna pour water like that. It's beginning to dry very well. When it's dry, you're just gonna hold your skin and just gonna tighten it up. Okay, so if you're having loose skin, if you're having any problem, man, use this to repair your skin. I know some of you guys will be like, will be overlooking all of this natural stuff. It works, guys. So when you're done, you'll be having the smell of the egg, so you have to use a toilet soap to get rid of all of the smell. Okay, very mild soap, guys, very mild soap. So if you don't have anything to use, you can actually use vitamin E oil. Apply it on your face and you're gonna be loving the way your skin is gonna be, like seriously. So for this, you can actually store this in your refrigerator for just 3 days. Okay, you use it for 3 days in a week. Okay, it's just going to help you to close up, enlarge and open pores, tighten up your skin, remove blemishes, and it's also going to help to remove pigmentations, and you are good to go, guys. If you have wrinkles or fine lines, this is going to remove it. If you have dark spots, it's going to clear up your dark spots. So that's it, guys. If you're aiming to repair your damaged skin, use this remedy. Don't joke with it at all. Don't joke, because it's very effective. Okay, try it. You're gonna be loving it. You are going to be loving it. So that's it. If you did love the video, don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Please drop your questions on my website. Okay, the link will be at my comment section. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay beautiful. Bye, guys.